Next in this category is the mobile accessories that I got. The first mobile accessory is this suction phone holder, and I actually got this for filming wash day content. Filming category, filming slash mobile accessories, and it is this clip on, what you call this, and this is amazing. Look at this. This is how bright it is, and it is a bicolor ring light. This is the yellow light, and this is the warm slash white light. Now I got something similar to this from AliExpress. It's already broke. It was not very durable, and I can tell you that this looks bigger than this, but when it was working, the light on this was way brighter. I give this like an hour, 2 hours full power, and it's already dim and off. Give this like 30 minutes, it's off. So very happy with this. It gets the job done. I tend to use this for vlogging scenario. I do not use this to film TikTok videos. Like if I'm vlogging, I don't want to pull out my LED lights. I use this instead. But I have not really needed light like that since I got my iPhone. So I think I'm going to stick to using this with my Android that requires a good light source. Let's talk about the phone cases that I got on Temu. I got about 4. One was for my mom, but it didn't really fit. But that was a mistake on my own part. I got the wrong model for her phone. But I got like 3 other cases for I and my brother's iPhones, and show you that on the screen. These casings are the bomb. They are 3-layer rugged casings. Like once I put the casing on, like any fear of the phone falling down and having issues gone out of the window, straight out of the window. Very strong, very durable, and also very aesthetically pleasing. My brothers are also happy with it. I am extremely happy with it as well. And what I can say about Temu is that just as long as you read the description, you check the photos, the pictures on the individual products properly, like they really give you what you pay for, sometimes even better. I have been an AliExpress shopper for 6 years now, and I can tell you that Temu has nothing on AliExpress. And I hope that they would continue upholding the standard that they have now, that they aren't just giving me all these good quality products because they are trying to break into the African market. So big ups to Temu and all that. Again, all links the links to every single product, or at least most of the products that I have showed in this video, will be in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Best, it doesn't cover long distances, maybe 5 to 8 meters, but the sound quality is very crystal, it's very clean. It really does have ENC, and the battery lasts for a very long time. As I said, the only downside to this is that it doesn't cover very long distances. The next item I really don't have here with me because I gifted it to my last born. It's just this regular earbuds, and I really didn't like it. It was pretty to look at, but I didn't like it because the sound quality was too bassy for my liking. I prefer crystal clean quality than way too much bass. It didn't come with mics, so I couldn't like make phone calls or take calls with the earbuds. That was the only downside to it, but the quality was premium for what it was worth. This product I am going to talk about right now is an amazing segue into the fitness category, and is this smartwatch. This is, I believe, it's called the Huawei GT2 smartwatch. And the reason why I got this is to serve as a step counter and calorie counter. It also helps me with my notifications if my phone is not close to me. It can also help with camera controls, but I don't use it for that. I got it for 2 reasons, and 2 reasons only. And the battery life on this is amazing. I charge it for a week, put it on my wrist, and like the battery lasts a long time. I just need to charge it once a week and it does what I need it to do. But mind you, I only use this for 2 reasons: step and calorie counter. In order to use this, you have to connect it to an app called Refine. The instructions are in the manual of the watch, and once I go to Refine on my phone, I am able to see all my steps, my calories, if I was able to meet up with my goal, and premium quality. Moving into the fitness category, let's go. The first or the 1.5th thing I got from Temu for fitness, because I'm on a weight loss journey, is this hot cream or sweat cream. You apply this to the areas you want to firm, then you wrap it up with some type of neoprene. I got this, I got like two of this. I wrap it up with this, then I use it to work out. And it really does work, but I might not buy it again because I found out that I could achieve the same results with Vaseline and menthol. So, but if you are not ready for the DIYs, this works just as well. And also get you this because I feel like maybe it doesn't work by itself. You have to wrap it up in something. And like I said, I got two of these. Links will be in the description box. Digital rechargeable scale. And the reason why I got this is because I'm on a weight loss journey. And this is going to help me to monitor my body fat, bones, water weight, whatever. I have to connect this to an app. I haven't tried it yet, but even without the app, you can still check your weight. And very happy with this. Very premium feeling. Now this is 51 centimeters and it is actually way too small. I am a beginner and this was recommended for advanced hula hoopers, and this is actually the reason why I still have more shipments coming in, because I need to get an extension for this. This is a detachable PVC hula hoop. I was advised to get a hula hoop that is at least at waist level. This isn't even up to my knees, hence the reason I am getting the extension. The last shipment has come in, and again I was able to get the extensions for the hula hoop. The size is now perfect. It's a little wobbly at the moment because I've not adjusted it, but the size is now perfect. It now reaches up to my waist, as you can see. But the only problem I have now is that I don't know how to hula hoop, and Google Gemini told me that it's going to take me almost a month to learn how to hula hoop with consistent practice. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's it for this video, guys. That is over 30 items that I was able to buy on Temu. Very happy with my purchase. I am an extremely happy customer. If you're interested in shopping these items and more, I have links in my description. They are affiliate links, so you using them is not going to cost you anything, but it's going to help me and my channel. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, consider subscribing. Like if you like, share if you care, and I'll see you in my next one. Choose.